Hey everyone, today I will show you how to blur in CapCut PC. First of all, open CapCut on your PC, then drag your video clip into the timeline. Next, go to the Effects tab on the top. In the search bar, type blur to find the blur options. Choose the type of blur you want, like Gaussian blur or motion blur, and drag it onto the timeline above your clip. To customize it, click on the blur effect. You can also resize or move the blur effect if you only want to blur part of the video. Now, want to blur a specific face or object in CapCut on your PC? Start by copy the layer and next go to the effect tab and search for blur. Drag the blur effect onto the timeline above your clip. Next, select the blur effect to apply mask by going to the mask tool. In the settings on the right, choose the shape that best fits the area you want to blur, like circle for a face, and resize it. And to keep the blur on the face as it moves, enable keyframe or tracking mode. Then this lets you adjust the mask's position frame by frame to follow the face throughout the video. Finally, play back your video to make sure blur tracks the face smoothly. Once it looks good, you are done.